Good morning and welcome to this very special Wednesday edition of the Tuesday Morning Profit Break. We are coming to you from the Bowling University studio at the International Bowling Campus here in Arlington, Texas. Thank you for joining us. I'm John Harbuck, and this morning we have some exciting news from Strike 10 Entertainment about some of the upcoming events to drive traffic into your bowling centers. To explain what is coming your way is the president of Strike 10 Entertainment, John Harbuck. Welcome, John, and thanks for joining us today.
JK, thanks for having me. Excited to be talking about these amazing activations we have in store. So We'll just get into it here. The calendar that you see here is our activations for 2021. A lot of activity. We're excited about getting into the second half of the year, and we'll be talking about a few of these that are coming up very quickly. But first I want to talk about some programs as we have these activations that are going to build top-of-mind awareness and drive traffic into your centers. We've got a couple of programs that we want you to be aware of. Our Go Bowling America program is available now. We've already got 600 centers that are running this program. Thousands of bowlers have already signed up, and this is something that we'll be talking a lot about as we get these national engagements. The Go Bowling America program is something that you can sign up for at stemarketing.com. The second one we introduced at Bowl Expo was our Boston Beer Ball League, which is Boston Beer, as you know, is our official beer partner. This program is great. It's a huge hit with a 21-plus crowd. Drives your food and beverage costs as you can do features and promos and just turn league night into party night. So these promotion kits are available for $99.95. That includes freight, and you get a sample ball with that. So we encourage you to go to STE Marketing and order that kit as well. Getting into the activations, a lot of excitement here. We're going to be at Go Bowling at the Glen in Watkins Glen on August the 8th for the running of the race. Our driver, Eric Amarola, is coming off of a huge win at New Hampshire, and the NASCAR circuit takes a 2-week break as they pause for the Olympics. So when we return to the NASCAR circuit, it'll be our race, and the media attention will be hyper-focused on Eric coming off his first win of the season. Puts him into the playoff race, so there'll be a lot of excitement. We'll be doing a lot of fun things there. We'll have fan engagements that we'll talk about here in a minute, and also we have a really kind of fun promotion we're doing with the campers there at Watkins Glen. This is kind of a look at what the fan activation is going to look like. We're not able to have bowling lanes there this year because of some of the COVID restrictions, and we were unsure of what we were able to do. So, hey, we did the next best thing. We've got virtual bowling. So as the fans come to the Go Bowling display, they'll be able to virtual bowl. We'll have the Go Bowling pin card that you see there, which will be a lot of fun. And we'll be handing out BOGO coupons to the folks that are visiting the display tent. And we have a really exciting promotion with Tony Stewart. You know, Tony Stewart is the co-owner of Stewart Haas Racing. He has an amazing home with bowling lanes in there. So we're going to be giving away a special grand prize. You get to go bowling with Tony Stewart. So as they come to the engagement area, they can use their mobile device, hit the QR code, and enter to win that fantastic promotion. So it should be a lot of fun there at the fan engagement. And again, the Go Bowling America program, we want to continue to promote that and talk about that in our engagement. So that'll be a prevalent display there at the Go Bowling at the Glen NASCAR race midway. Also there, we mentioned the campsite challenge. The campers there at the Watkins Glen Raceway have a ton of fun. So this will be the third year we've had the campsite challenge, and they dress up their campsites with bowling, and we award a winner, bring them down to a pit row, and let them sit in the number 10 pit box, which is kind of like sitting in the locker room of an NFL game. So it's a lot of fun, and we'll be doing that this year at the Watkins Glen. The exposure, I want to talk about that in just a minute. We get tremendous exposure at the race. Total media equivalency is over 24 million. The social engagements that we get, over 208 million social impressions, and actual social reach, over 27 million. So it's an amazing activation for us, and we're looking forward to doing it and getting all the exposure, building top-of-mind awareness for bowling as we head into the fall season. Next up is the National Bowling Day. We're going to be celebrating that on Saturday, August the 14th, and the Fox and Friends producers called us up and asked us if we wanted to come back. When New York opened back up, they wanted to have bowling back on the Fox Square as we have in the past few years. We get a lot of exposure, at this event, over 15 minutes of national TV exposure, equivalent media value over 1.6 million. So we'll be driving traffic to gobowling.com, where they can download a free bowling game coupon, and that'll drive traffic into your centers. So that's on Saturday, August the 14th. So how do you get ready for that? See this wonderful setup that we'll have there with the lanes, and the Go Bowling pin car will be there. But we need you to help us out. On our social media content bank, we have a range of assets that you can download and then have the celebration at your own place, your own bowling center. So we encourage you to join in the celebration at your center. At our social media content bank, we have a how-to guide that'll give you a step-by-step way that you can prep and plan. We have press releases there that you can download and repurpose for the media in your area to invite them to the center. And it's a great way for us all to come together and celebrate National Bowling Day on the 14th. So encourage you to do so. Next up on the activation calendar is on September the 11th, our second NASCAR race of the year is the Go Bowling 250 at Richmond Raceway. Our young driver is Riley Herbst, driving the number 98 Go Bowling Ford Mustang. It's Xfinity car. Again, we'll be promoting the Go Bowling America program, so we encourage you to be sure to get on that program. We'll also be activating, very similar to what we're doing with Watkins Glen. We'll have the virtual bowling. We'll have the same setup that we have there. So we'll have a Go Bowling America day there on Saturday, September the 11th. So these are the activations that we've got teed up. We're excited, and JK, we're just glad to be able to tell everybody and throw it back to you.
That's awesome. A lot of great stuff there.
Yeah.
Hey, the National Bowling Day appearance on Fox and Friends looks amazing, and you mentioned we get a whole lot of exposure from that. I understand you're going to be bringing some industry guests with you. Can you share with us who that might be?
Yes, we are. We're bringing that together now. First of all, we'll have BPA President Jim Decker. He'll be there to kind of kick it off, and we'll be able to award the host there. We like to give them their own customized bowling ball with their photograph on it, and they yuck it up and show it on the cameras. And we'll have a bowling lane set up there, as you know. We're bringing a young, amazing young bowler, Jillian Martin, is going to appear there with us, and she's done an amazing job. She started off the year here at the ITRC kickoff bowling as in the PWBA tour, and I think she made the stepladder finals, maybe even the TV finals, and bowled a 299.
Oh my!
And then recently, Junior Go, she bowled a 300. So Jillian's an amazing bowler, and she's a great young spokesperson to let us kind of showcase our youth bowlers. She'll be there, and then we're also bringing on. Fox, if anyone that knows how Fox and Friends works, they're very patriotic, and so their producers ask us about what bowling does to support our military. And so BVL came to mind naturally, and they were excited to help us kind of make their viewers aware of what bowling is doing through the BVL, and so we'll have a representative from the BVL. So that's kind of the roundup.
That sounds awesome.
Yeah,
sounds awesome. For the National Bowling Day program, where can the viewers go to view that and get more information about that?
For all of our programs, the support programs that we're talking about, the assets and everything, it's easy to go to stemarketing.com. There you have access to get into our National Bowling Day assets through our social media bank, access to our Go Bowling America program, and also our Boston Beer League program. You can link through STE Marketing. So that's the one-stop shop that we send everybody to get there. So.
Well, that's some awesome stuff, John, and it is very exciting. Thank you. Thanks for taking time out of your day to present it all to us.
Well, thank you for having me. We appreciate this great opportunity to broadcast out to all the members.
Great, good stuff. All right, so again, thank you, John, for sharing the information about the upcoming events to help drive traffic into our member centers. So remember, if you have any questions or want more information about any of the events John mentioned or anything else with Strike 10 Entertainment, please reach out to John at stemarketing.com. Thanks again for joining us for this special edition, and we look forward to seeing you next Tuesday at 10:15 Eastern for our next episode of the Tuesday Morning Profit Break. If you have any questions about today's show or would like additional information, you can reach us anytime at education@bpaa.com. Until then, I'm John Karabatsis, and do for one what you wish you could do for everyone. See you Tuesday.